If your lead quality is dropped or your ad results have become inconsistent, the problem usually isn't the ads. It's the signal Meta or Google is learning from. When your tracking breaks, even slightly, Meta stops learning from the customers who actually book service calls and starts learning from everyone who fills out forms. Same with Google. That includes price shoppers, people just looking around, people don't have anything better to do than to fill out forms, the leads that never phone. So once Meta or Google starts learning from the wrong customer profile, lead quality drops every single day you keep spending. That's why scaling starts to feel risky. What we do is run a Signal Audit to see exactly what Meta is learning from right now. If Meta or Google is optimizing for leads, we fix the signal so Meta optimizes for something better, like scheduled appointments where you actually book jobs and get paid. We rebuild the event tracking so that scheduled appointments fires correctly as both browser and server events, and we verify it inside Meta's test events so you see processed and deduplicated with your own eyes. When this happens, that means lead quality improves, your close rate goes up, and scaling stops becoming a gamble. You can actually grow your business. The audit is $197. I will record a short Loom video showing exactly what's happening in your account. And if nothing needs fixing, I'll refund it. Click the button below to get your audit.